A very good evening. This is Abigail R. Carmelim bringing to you the Salesian news across the globe. The Salesian Louis Bertrand province of Medellin, Colombia COM, is in the process of preparing for the 22nd provincial chapter, which was convened by the provincial Father Luis Fernando Valencia SDB. Starting from the guidelines presented by the Salesian congregation for the celebration of the 29th General Chapter on the theme, Passionate about Jesus Christ, dedicated to young people. For a faithful and prophetic experience of our Salesian vacation, all the communities of the COM province since October 2023 have worked and reflected on the three core areas of the GC29. Number 1, animation and care for the real life of each Salesian. Number 2, Salesians, Salesian family and laity together with and for the young. And number 3, a courageous evaluation and reshaping of the congregation's governance at all levels. The Don Bosco Institute in Khuborjylla, Guwahati recently hosted a seminar on mental health entitled Healthy Minds, Healthy Lives. The event attracted a diverse audience including priests, religious, teachers, university students, leaders and lay people from various parishes and Salesian centers. The seminar was led by Father Marcus Lacra, Provincial Delegate for Youth Ministry, and was also attended by Father Januaris S. Sangma, Superior of the Province of Guwahati ING. Many illustrious personalities took part, including Dr. Loya Agarwala, who fascinated the audience with her agenda-setting address, unveiling the intricate connection between mind and body and shedding light on the paths to happiness and well-being. Missiones Salesianas, the Salesian Mission Office based in Madrid, in collaboration with the Pueblo de Dios program of the Spanish television network TVE, went to Colombia last November to resume this work of the Salesians from both Salesian provinces, Bogota and Medellin, and to produce several episodes of the program, so as to make known the Salesian work carried out in Bogota, Agua de Dios, Barranquilla and Cali. The second of these episodes, recorded in the Colombian capital, is dedicated to the Salesian work known as Nino Jesus. The Salesians arrived in Colombia in 1890 and founded the Leon XIII work in Bogota. In the Colombian capital, the sons of Don Bosco were also entrusted with the pastoral care of the shrine of the Divine Child Jesus, Nino Jesus, a church located in the 20 de Julio district that welcomes thousands of faithful every day, many of whom come on pilgrimage from other countries. The Salesian Saint Aloysius Versiglia province of Indonesia, INA, has organized a workshop on religious life for Salesian aspirants and pre-novices in order to allow them to acquire knowledge so that they can recognize their respective vocations. The week-long workshop is being led by Father Vincentius Prastovo, SDB, and Father Silverus Andang Kenkana, Aji, SDB. The program addresses a wide range of issues including self-transcendence, recognizing and reviewing one's vocation in life, making Don Bosco a model, Salesian vocation following the example of Don Bosco, deepening the figure of Don Bosco, crisis, challenges and opportunities, sexual abuse, serving the basis of the Salesian preventive system for pastoral care on social media, creating a personal life project. Another stage of Father Hugo Orozco's extraordinary visitation to the Salesian province of Venezuela was the Salesian presence in Duaca. On 28 February, the Counselor for the Inter-America region, accompanied by Father Rafael Montenegro, Superior of the VEN province, shared enriching moments with the youth community. The presence of Father Orozco was particularly encouraging, providing valuable advice to the young people present to remain close to God in their daily lives. Answering the questions posed by the young people, he shared the practice of reading a book on Jesus every year to deepen knowledge of him, and this was welcomed with admiration and fascination by the young people present. So viewers, that is all we have for you today. Till we meet again, thank you for joining us.